Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back with yet another tutorial video on app guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can change a group profile picture on your WhatsApp application. So you have a group on your WhatsApp application. It's a friends group or a family group. You want to change the profile picture of that group, but you can't figure out how you can do it. Watch this video till the end. I'll show you some simple steps in order to change a group profile picture on a WhatsApp application. So to change a group profile picture on a WhatsApp application, the first thing you want to do is open your WhatsApp application. Once you open your WhatsApp application, what you want to do is locate the group that you want to change the profile picture to. Once you locate the group, open that group. Once you open the group, what you want to do is tap on the group name on the top. Now once you tap on the profile name, you'll land on an interface like this. Now here what you want to do is tap on the profile picture. Then now to change the profile picture, what you want to do is tap on the edit button on the top. Once you do that, we'll have the option to remove the icon or select it from a gallery or click a picture. So select or click a picture that you want to change it to. Once you select the picture, select the size of the picture that you want to upload, then tap on the done button. Once you tap on the done button, you'll successfully change the profile picture of a group on your WhatsApp application. So those were the simple steps in order to change a WhatsApp group profile picture. So that will be it for today's video. Hope the video was helpful for you. If it was, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with some new information. Goodbye.